In this video, we will be working with margins and padding. So let's start with that. So as we all know that we have learned how to use text colors, text changes as well as backgrounds, gradients and solid fills. So now let's start with the margins. So if you click on element, now you can see margins as well as padding option. So if you want to change the margin, for example, if you want to change the top margin, you can simply drag it like you want. You can also change the margin for left, right as well as bottom. Samely, you can use the padding for the internal elements that are present in the block. For example, if I change the padding left, the internal elements, the text which is present in the block will be changed. So these were padding and margins. Can change any elements padding or margin. For example, if you want to change, let's use single inspector, and if you want to change the padding or margins of this text, let's try to change it. For example, if you want to make it okay, you can see that the padding and margins can be changed. Also, a background image can be changed. Thank you. भी माइक कितना खतरनाक बना रहा है इस वेबसाइट को देखो।
चल रही है ना।